My name is Mohan Kumar. I'm a general manager for Wheels India Quality. I'm currently looking after heavy fabrication as well as large scale machining unit quality. So we at Wheels India are pioneers at automotive and non-automotive component manufacturing such as windmill and railway component. At Wheels India, we always believe in cutting edges improvement process, and we also believe in improvement of our technologies and innovations to meet our customer high quality demand. So being a large size machining facility, so we are having high demand in terms of doing high precision component inspection. So knowing the limitations in the industries with the instruments what we have in terms of the size and the precision, and API tracker really sorted out all these problems in terms of providing solutions which enables us to do precision instruments and able to meet our customer demand in terms of high quality as well as quick inspections. One of the key reasons we want to continue with the API tracker, and we keep continuing with the API tracker, is that not only the technology and all, but also the team they have and the responsiveness of the team and the technology, the knowledge what they brought into our teams, and the guidance what they provide, and the continual support what they provide. So all these are the key points which made us to go with the API tracker all the time. We highly recommend API trackers for the industrial piece. They bring precision, high technology, and unmatched support all the time.